Hello students, we are discussing chapter number 9, that is safety and first aid. So in this video we will discuss for nosebleeds for burns. Okay, that is page number 73. So first topic is for nosebleeds. Nosebleeds occur quite frequently during the winter months and also in dry hot regions. So nosebleeds when occur during the winter month and also in dry hot regions. Okay, children may also get nosebleeds when playing. So children also get nosebleeds while they are playing. There are two important things to do if you develop a nosebleed. First one is sit up straight and lean slightly forward. So when you have nosebleed, you have to sit up straight. And what is lean? Lean is to move the top part of your body and head forwards. Okay, pinch your nostrils between your thumb. You can see in this picture the girl is pinching her nose between your thumb and forefinger for about 10 minutes. So how many times we will do? We will do it 10 minutes. This will apply pressure on the bleeding portion. So when we will do this, it will apply pressure on these regions. Okay, breath through the mouth and wait till the bleeding stops. So when we will do this, we will stop taking breath. We will take the breath through our mouth, okay, not through our nose. Then keep the nostrils pinched till the bleeding stops. This normally takes 7 to 8 minutes. Do not blow the nose for a few hours. Okay. You can also prepare an ice pack. It is another idea. You can also use ice pack by wrapping ice cubes in a cloth and crushing the ice. Apply the ice pack on the nose. This will also reduce bleeding. So this will also reduce our bleeding. For burns, now for burns. Burns are injuries caused by fire, hot objects, boiling water, steam, firecrackers and some chemicals such as acids. Okay, only very burns can be minor or serious. So burns can be minor or it can be very serious. Only very minor burns can be treated at home. So only a very minor burns we can treat it at home. A minor burn causes redness of the skin. So a minor burn causes redness of the skin. No blisters are formed. So what is blisters? You can see in the word meaning. A bubble formed on the skin due to damage. So in blisters, bubbles are formed on the skin, okay, due to damage of that area. The first thing to do is to immediately wash the area with lots of cool water for several 10 to 15 minutes. You can see in this picture, okay, like this. If the pain continues, apply a damp cloth over the burn. So if the pain continues, you can apply a damp cloth. So what is damp? Damp is a little wet cloth over the burn. Okay, open next page. In some severe burns, the skin becomes red and blisters form. So in case of severe burns, the skin becomes red and blisters form in that area. So immerse the burnt area in running cool water for 10 to 15 minutes. So what is immerse? To hold water, to hold underwater or another liquid. Okay, so we will put our hand in the underwater in the area where it was burnt. Running cool water for 10 to 15 minutes. Do not allow the blisters to break. So do not allow the blisters to break because they can get affected. So if the blister break, the area will get infected. Okay, if the blisters do break, wash the area with mild soap and water. So If blisters break, what will you do? We will wash that area with mild soap and water, and then we will apply antibiotic cream and cover with a loose bandage. Okay. In case of very severe burns, rush the patient to the hospital. So in case of very severe burns, we will take the patient to the hospital. For chemical burns such as acid burns, immediately wash the affected area with plenty of cool water. So for chemical burns such as acids, we will wash that area, affected area, with plenty of cool running water. Okay. Thank you, students.